Now, let us talk of the common things or the common success stories of all the three countries. Here when I talk of, there is rise in per capita income in all the three countries, India, Pakistan and China. Compare it to the per capita income when we achieved independence and to the present day, there is a remarkable growth, and this is a sure short sign of the success story of the country. Next is the food production in all the three countries has been increasing at the pace at which the population is increasing in the countries. It's not that the population is booming, is becoming too much and the food production is not able to meet the requirements. Thankfully, the food production has been able to meet with the growing population. Next is the modern sectors are increasing in all the three countries, but we are also able to preserve our traditional sectors, our traditional economies. Whether we boast of the new kind of things happening in the country, but still we see that the old traditional values, customs, traditions, professions and so on is still intact in all the three countries, and thus these are the common success stories, because if you leap forward and you still have a hold on the foot which is behind you is in fact a great achievement achieved by all the three countries, India, Pakistan and China.